So something I was taught and that I teach in some of my courses is this idea of moving when we're drawing the gun, when we're doing reloads, misfires, anything like that, so we're not just standing static. So one of the drills I like to come out here and practice is load up your magazine with just some dummy rounds, and then live rounds, mix it in at like random intervals. And I got a steel target at 20 yards, and I got a steel target at 40 yards. And so I'm going to draw and engage one target, and then the moment I get a misfire, go ahead and move, clear the misfire, then start engaging the other target as well. And then every time you get a misfire, you just switch from target to target. So this helps you work your misfires. It helps you work accuracy because we're engaging at some pretty substantial distance for a handgun. And then it just target acquisition because you're moving from target to target. So let's see how this goes. All right, and that's how we do that drill.